Justin here with DeAngelo Marine Exhaust. We're on site in New Orleans at the 2023 International WorkBoat Show. Wanted to show you a little bit about the cutting edge technology we've been able to integrate, specifically this automated welding cobot by Hirebotics. Mike, I'd like to tell you a little bit about it.
So as Justin mentioned, DeAngelo is an amazing customer of ours. They were so nice of us to actually bring up some parts that they've welded with our system and to showcase actually running live. So with us being from Hirebotics, the main thing we want to do is enable a welder to be able to do any type of robotic programming without actually knowing robotic programming. So what we're doing here is we're showing many different styles of welds. Right now we're doing an inside radial weld, depending on if you're doing bellows or other different type of products. And we're showcasing two different types of solutions, welding and cutting. So this is using our UR20 that has a 69-inch reach. Everything is done with a simple, easy press of the program to free drive and move. We're teaching a part with the bottom, and we're able to get production moving same day and be able to be 3 to 4x in terms of your productivity.